Hey there, this is Jojo from Seventh Plane Healings and astrojo.com with your Astrosonics, where we go on a cosmic sound journey together. And in this session, we are exploring the moment that Mercury enters Aquarius on the 21st of January at 2:40 a.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time. This is activating a wave of clarity, innovation, and higher-minded intelligence. Mercury enters Aquarius exactly as it forms a Cazimi with the sun, so sitting in the heart of the sun. It's creating a moment of pure mental illumination. Mercury also joins Mars, Venus, Pluto and Vesta in Aquarius. It's forming a powerful mental, energetic cluster that amplifies insight, communication, creativity and visionary thinking. And with supportive sextiles to Saturn and Neptune and a flowing trine to Uranus, this is one of the most electric, intuitive and future-focused Mercury activations of the year. Stick around as we explore these cosmic alignments, followed by a special planetary tuning fork sound alignment session, which is specific to attune your energies to clarity, innovation, intuitive intelligence, and breakthrough thinking. But first, let's look at the aspects in more detail. And we have Mercury entering Aquarius, ruled by Uranus. It's a shift into higher mind awareness, originality, and visionary communication. So this is the frequency of genius, innovation, and thinking outside the box. Mercury is in the Cazimi with the sun, so it's conjunct the sun here. A moment of pure clarity. Cazimi is the heart of the sun, where Mercury becomes illuminated. So it's sharp and deeply aligned. So expect breakthroughs, insights, and mental precision. And Mercury is also in a conjunction with Mars, Venus, Pluto, and Vesta. Mars. This is a rare Aquarian stellium. It's amplifying mental courage, creative intelligence, relational clarity, transformative ideas, devotion to purpose. And it's a powerful moment for downloads, new concepts, and inspired communication. Mercury is also sextiling Saturn. It's grounded thinking. This aspect helps you structure ideas, commit to plans, and bring clarity into form. Mercury is also sextiling Neptune. It's where intuition meets imagination. This opens psychic channels, enhances creativity, and supports spiritual communication. Mercury is also trining Uranus. It's Aquarius' ruling planet. Breakthroughs, innovation, and sudden insight. This is the lightning bolt aspect, the aha moment that changes everything. So now I invite you to join me on this sacred sound journey, just allowing your mind and your body to attune to these cosmic frequencies. So take a deep breath in and release. And take another deep breath. Just letting go, bringing your awareness to your heart and softening as you bathe in the frequencies of the spheres. And our affirmation is, my mind is clear, awakened and aligned with higher vision. My mind is clear, awakened and aligned with higher vision. take a moment to integrate these planetary energies, feeling balance and harmony within. Let the frequencies settle into your field, anchoring clarity, innovation, and intuitive intelligence. And if you would like your own personal planetary tuning fork sound alignment specific to your natal chart or your current transits or your solar return chart, check out astrojo.com or the links in the description. Check to begin your journey into cosmic resonance and inner harmony. And if you'd like to explore more, find out more about my frequency imprinted energy pendants, handmade by me, imprinted with spiritual protection, alignment, growth, and all the good things, EMF protection, copper coil, just check out seventhplanehealings.com and see how vibrational frequencies can support your energy field. And thanks again for joining me on this cosmic sound adventure. If you haven't already, please like, share, subscribe. It really helps support my channel and get me out there a bit more. And stay up to date with cosmic sound adventures. And let's tune into the universe together.